Keir Starmer has indicated that he is weighing the possibility of banning smoking in select outdoor areas, like pub gardens, as part of a broader initiative to reduce tobacco use nationwide. This proposal aligns with his goal to achieve a smoke-free Britain, defined by lowering adult smoking rates to 5% or below. The Prime Minister shared his intent to reform smoking regulations during a press briefing in Paris, after leaked documents hinted at a possible smoking ban in various outdoor locations. These locations encompass areas such as sports stadiums, parks for children, pub gardens, nightclubs, restaurant terraces, pavements near universities and hospitals, and shisha bars. This suggested crackdown is anticipated to be part of the upcoming Tobacco and Vapes Bill, as announced in the King's speech when Labour assumed office. The law aims for implementation throughout the UK, though its enforcement may differ by region. Previously, former Prime Minister Rishi Sunak had aimed to prevent the next generation from smoking by legally prohibiting cigarette sales to those born after January 2009. While he intended for this ban to become a key part of his legacy, a snap election delayed the proposal before it could navigate through Parliament. Labour has promised to revitalize the policy, and Starmer appears focused on an even stricter approach than originally planned. The idea of gradually increasing the legal age for purchasing tobacco products, basically outlawing cigarette sales to future generations, was first proposed by Dr. Javed Khan. His in-depth review aimed at achieving a smoke-free UK by 2030 also included vital recommendations, such as expanding smoke-free zones to deter smoking and protect young people from secondhand smoke. Although the Conservative government had not specifically endorsed the idea of limiting smoking outdoors, Starmer's administration seems more receptive to the suggestion. Dr. Khan's report encouraged the government to strengthen smoke-free regulations, especially in hospitality venues, hospital grounds, and outdoor public areas. However, it remains unclear how these strategies might influence vapers. Leaked government documents pointed to the establishment of vape-free zones, yet there was no explicit indication about whether the outdoor smoking prohibition would cover e-cigarettes. Vaping is often marketed as a less harmful smoking alternative and has gained traction among those looking to quit. Nonetheless, increasing concerns about rising e-cigarette use among children have surfaced over the last year. The Tobacco and Vapes Bill has already pledged to tackle vape products appealingly designed to attract younger demographics. Starmer may advocate for even stricter regulations, perhaps even prohibiting vaping in some outdoor locales. While there has not been an official statement regarding this plan, a government spokesperson did not dismiss the allegations, instead reiterating their dedication to shielding children and non-smokers from the dangers of secondhand smoke. They expressed, "We are examining a variety of measures to ultimately achieve a smoke-free Britain." Dr. Khan's review included numerous recommendations, featuring contentious suggestions such as banning smoking in pub gardens. If such initiatives are being contemplated, it's likely that additional proposals could also be assessed. While discussing Sunak's prior smoking prohibition proposal, Dr. Khan emphasized the necessity for a holistic strategy, warning that no single action would suffice alone. He also suggested modifications such as altering cigarette colors to make them less enticing and printing warning messages directly on individual cigarettes, a method already implemented in Canada. The process for any proposed smoking ban to be legislated entails the Tobacco and Vapes Bill undergoing strict evaluation in the House of Commons and the House of Lords. Throughout this period, the bill might be either weakened or enhanced prior to enactment. Starmer highlighted the critical need to confront smoking-related fatalities, stating, "I want to remind everyone that over 80,000 individuals die each year due to smoking. That's a preventable death, and it's a significant strain on the NHS and, of course, on taxpayers." Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like this video.